Hey everybody, thanks for joining me and welcome back to episode 4 of Self-Care Sunday DIY Reflexology with Suzanne Chilton, myself. I am a registered foot reflexologist and I live in North Vancouver, BC, where I have a mobile practice in home. And I'm here to show you guys some awesome DIY reflexology tips that you can do and work on yourself to help ease pain, reduce tension and stress, and increase circulation and just feel awesome, because that's what Self-Care Sunday is all about, right? Right, Mama? I'm talking to you. So, episode 4, what are we doing here? We're gonna work on shoulders. So, I get very tight in my shoulders back here, the scapula area, mainly because I'm working on people this way, on the feet. I'm on my phone a lot. I'm on the computer a lot, doing my business. And this goes out to all you mamas too that are breastfeeding, so you're always in this position with your baby. So this is going to be a great one to release your shoulders and help loosen everything up for you and feel better. So just to recap, for those of you that don't know, so your whole body is represented in your feet via reflexes. So it's really cool. Our body has these microsystems all over. You have them in your hands as well, your face, your ears, but I work mainly with the feet. So by working and stimulating these reflexes, we're actually sending that signal back to the spinal cord and out to the referral area. So that's how we're able to work on the shoulders via the feet. Plus it feels amazing, so it's awesome for everybody. So shoulders, this is the bottom of our foot here. I like to call her a tootsie. If you guys have a better idea, just let me know. But if we are looking at the bottom of the foot, this represents our head all across these toes. This is the upper abdominal, and this would be the mid-abdominal, and then down here on the heel would be the pelvis. So we've got our shoulders right here. So if you look at me like this, shoulder, shoulder. So normally a lot of people who have a lot of shoulder tension have a lot of callus in this area. That's usually what I'm looking for. Plus, when I push on the tissues here, it's very crunchy and it's got a lot of stuff going on. So if you have any of that here, probably means you have tight shoulders, tension in your shoulders. So you're just gonna find that area, and it's right on the ball of your foot here. And you're going to start massaging on that area. So you can use, I like to use my thumb. You can use any lotion or cream that you have, or essential oils. I like to use doTERRA essential oils for this. But just working over that callus and trying to release the area. You don't need to try to kill yourself here. So one misconception about reflexology is that it has to be very painful for it to work, and that's not the case at all. Sometimes the lightest touch is even better because we're not creating a lot of stress for the body. So you're going to work that area there where you see the callus. You can actually work on this side too, because that gets into more this part of the shoulder and then this side of the shoulder too. So work those two areas to release your shoulder and help bring back balance to that area, reduce pain, and help remove any deposits or anything that have gotten stuck in that area. So make sure you drink lots of water after, just to flush everything out. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY reflexology. Let me know how it goes, and leave that in the comments or ask me any questions in the comments. You can also head over to www.footgurureflexology.com and sign up for my newsletter to make sure you never miss a tutorial like this or a workshop or any promos that I have going on. So thanks for joining me, guys. See you next week. Bye.